froadin boys? We are out here today. I don't really know what I'm going to talk about, but you know what? We're going to figure it on out, okay? How about let's just pop a wheelie really quick? There we go. And freeway. Oh shit, bicyclist. Thank you, sir. Skirt. Okay. Let's talk about, I've decided what we're going to talk about, because this is what my dad and I were talking about. I think we should talk about your first bike. What should you get as a first bike? Because... Alright, so for a first bike, and the reason I'm talking about this right now is because my cousin Austin, that was on our last video, is looking to get his first motorcycle, and all of us are giving him our input, but you know what? In the end, it's going to be up to him. But my dad and I were talking about this because my dad has got this Honda 230, and it's street legal, and my dad doesn't really ride his bike all that much. So I was like, hey Dad, maybe you should, sell your bike to Austin so he can ride around with us. But, then I was thinking, I got this here Kawasaki 1000, and I don't think an air-cooled 230 is going to keep up with me very well. So I was like, you know what, maybe you should just keep your bike, Dad, and, you can putt around with that thing. So... for Austin, we're thinking, you're going to need to get you a real boy bike right away. Because, Maxwell's got his FZ09 and I got this here 1K. So, Austin, he's ridden quite a bit before, He's ridden my dad's bike out in the desert with us. He's ridden, let's see, what else did he? Oh, he rode my two-stroke. I think he liked my two-stroke, my KX 250 that I had. But he's got some hours of riding under his belt. Watching. So I don't think he needs to go entirely with a tiny little 250. I'm thinking this boy is ready for a real boy motorcycle. Like a 600 or even a 750. And the question has really been dual sport or super sport. And I don't know, because I had a shit ton of fun with my dual sports and my supermotos that I've had. It's just you cannot beat a supermoto with fun to weight ratio. I'm just telling you, like, those bikes are freaking amazing. You can learn how to wheelie on them super easy, and they're not too fast, so cops aren't going to bust your balls on them, and insurance rates are real low. But I don't know, because he wants to come out and ride with the boys, the froadin boys. So I'm like, well shit, then you need to get a super bike, because we got some pretty quick bikes here. Not a super bike, a super sport bike. And then he's telling me, here's a little icing on the cake. He wants a bike that he can work on. Like, he wants to buy like a piece of shit and turn it into a diamond, He's trying to polish it. And with that, I was like, oh god, because my boy Austin, he's a real smart dude. Like, really, really smart. So I have no doubt that if he gets a bike, he'll figure out how to fix it. But the problem is with these like shit-ass bikes is a lot of the times you got salvage titles and you got back fees on registration. And Austin's like, miss me with that bullshit, homie. Because he's not trying to pay no fucking back fees or try to get a salvage title street legal, which I don't even know how you do that, personally. I think you have to get an inspection. But anyway, it's just a mess. We're just trying to figure out how to get this man the perfect bike for him. And, know, if you guys have any suggestions, let us know, because this is it's a big deal.
Fast that was, but that shit's fast as fuck, my dude. That wasn't even 100% pinned either. So bad. That's the car I'm gonna get. I don't know if I told you that after I pay off this green beast. And hey, what the fuck? Once I pay off this bitch, was that just me or did I? Was that a horn? Is that this guy's whip right here? The land yacht. That would make sense. I just heard a horn. I thought that was a cop, dude. I got so scared. Wait, is that the car? Making that noise? Let's see, I don't know, can I hit him with a little max pass? Hey, fucking dope ass car, my dude. By the way. Shit's sick as fuck. It's a nice ass fucking car, boy. Yeah, I think that dude in that fucking Challenger had like an air horn on his car or some shit. That was a sick max pass though. Like if you agree. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below what bike you think my boy Oz should get. Because, you know, we like your guys' input. You guys are pretty smart sometimes. But, yeah, comment down below what bike you think my boy Austin should get. Other than that, thank you for watching today. And we will see you guys next. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. Follow us on Instagram. I always forget to plug the Instagram, but we got some dope ass pictures up there of us doing that hood rat shit with our friends, you know what I'm saying? Follow us on Instagram at froadin boyz. Like, comment, subscribe. We've recently passed 1,200 subscribers, so that's dope as fuck. Okay, now we'll see you guys later. Doses.